We're going to meet Whitney Jones and her son, Drew.
Yep.
Whitney just moved back to town and bought a house out at the lake.
Perfect.
Hello.
I know.
Congratulations. So
How old's the baby?
exciting.
7 weeks.
Ooh.
Wow. First grandbaby, right?
First grandbaby.
So tell us about the house. You just bought it.
It's got great bones, and there's so much more potential. The backyard's totally unusable. It's a steep mountain, and inside there are a lot of do-it-yourself projects gone wrong.
It's kind of rushed.
And after living in it a few months, it became more and more apparent that the house just wasn't designed the way I would like it to be designed.
Oh, I absolutely love my mom. And when you walk in now, like, it just kind of feels dull and gray, and it's not my mom.
So let's talk about out here. What do you like and not like?
I love that little walkway. I love the natural rock.
Pretty, yeah.
But there's lacking landscape.
So landscaping for sure, I agree.
I don't mind the color of the
Yeah, I
house.
don't-
New siding would be okay. I'm really open to that.
Okay.
As you can see, it was originally blue,
Oh,
and
yeah.
somebody painted it green. I
Pretty.
like the natural colors, so
Yeah, something natural.
yes. Come on in.
This is
All right.
nice.
Wide open.
Oh, it is open.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at the lake out there.
Isn't it
Beautiful.
gorgeous view?
This is a nice sized kitchen.
I mean, it looks nice from the surface.
Yes, it is, but you can't open drawers over there because a fridge sticks out.
Yeah,
Can't use
Yeah.
that.
That's where you want to hide the candy from the grandkids.
Exactly. Cabinets, you can see they've got nicks all over
Oh, they do.
them, and the pantry is really small.
Okay.
I like having the bar area. Maybe an island would be better, so you could walk around both sides of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of the.
No,
Countertop.
they tend to peel up.
It needs to be updated.
Yeah, it does.
Do you like the sink underneath the window over there?
I would rather look this way
Okay.
than at
Yes.
that house on
Okay,
the street.
agreed. Yeah.
So this is a much prettier view when you're
Right.
doing dishes and
Yes.
you know.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if we have an island, putting the sink in the island. Or we could do both and have two sinks.
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah, okay. Do you like this floor?
I'm not tied to it. When I say I really am so very open, I really am. Of course,
Yeah.
I love easy maintenance.
So the plan for the kitchen, we will get you new cabinets, new countertops, a bigger pantry, an island with a sink in the island, which will give you two sinks, new lighting, and we'll include some natural wood accents, and we'll also replace the flooring throughout this entire main floor. Where should we go next?
Sunroom.
This is a really cool room.
It is a cool room. I love the stained glass. Could be an opportunity to have a cool bar area and kind of having that out of the way.
Talking.
Now we're
Yeah.
talking. Now we're talking.
I mean, what would you think about maybe like a window seat?
I can see it as like, you know, grabbing a book with the baby and coming in
Yes.
here and reading.
We could put storage under there. So yeah, when the grandkids are here, great. And when you want to break open the bar, great.
And I think that we could keep it open, but maybe incorporate old doors or something that could be closed if you wanted them, but really just to give it some character.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Holy cow, this is beautiful.
Wow.
It's a perfect
This is
day.
amazing. So you have a beautiful view, but it's steep.
Super
Yeah,
steep.
stay up there. You
Yeah,
don't have
I
to like
know.
shoes for
No, I
traversing the
don't.
mountain.
Even tennis shoes are dangerous on that mountain.
That's a big problem. We got to take care of that.
This is steep.
It's super steep.
mean, we're at
and
a full angle.
Super rocky.
I mean, with grandkids, we got to figure out a way to find some level area
Some
here.
level area would be
Yeah.
great.
Hank's
And
pretty tough, but
But-
we don't want him rolling down the hill.
No, because you're not stopping once you go.
I would love to have a fire pit area so my grown-up children can sit and drink beer by the fire.
Ooh, almost in one. There you go. 2, 3.
We have got to figure out a way to make this backyard accessible for Whitney. This is obviously the best part of this house is the view, but it is so steep back here that we have got to figure out a way to make it actually functional. So, I think that there's a couple things we have to do. For one, we have to like make a tiered deck situation so they can have a grill and have a sitting area. So we'll redo the upper deck outside her bedroom to bring the railing up to code and make it a place where she can read a book or enjoy her morning coffee. But then, the one thing she really wanted was a fire pit area for her boys. So it's like we're gonna have to terrace this somehow.
So what if the deck ends somewhere in here?
You step down from the screened-in porch, you go into a nice big deck, a little outdoor kitchen where she can grill. Yeah, that could work. And maybe it's something that we could close so it is not open to the elements all the time. Like she can close it up when they're not using it. And then you'll step down onto a terraced flat area where we'll have a fire pit, a place where her boys can have their beer. It's like just a nice space for her and her family to relax and enjoy the view of the lake.
We'll get the crew on it, let's do it.
All right, I love it. Cool, now we gotta climb the mountain to get out of here.
We are cruising through on this project. Outside, we are replacing the roof because there was mildew and there was growth on it. And we've upgraded the front door. And inside the house, we're bringing in the new kitchen island and prepping the kitchen walls to make way for the rest of the cabinets. We finished framing Whitney's bigger closet, and we're almost done framing her new, more functional main bathroom. Yeah, I think the hardest part of this deck is going to be this right here. We've started work on the back of Whitney's house. We're demoing the old decking and unsafe railing on the upper deck. At least it's on a 37-degree tilt.
Yeah, make sure I don't roll down the hill.
And we've started building a new deck on the ground level. The backyard of this house is unusable space.
Yeah.
I mean, she can't have grandkids out here. You can't put a chair out there.
No.
So we have built a 12 by 24 deck on the back patio. Actually being able to enjoy the backyard a little bit is super important. It gives you a ton of usable space.
That's a lot of space here.
All right, here goes. We're using composite decking, which costs about 3 times more than wood, but she's not gonna have to worry about it at all. That is one hot deck. It will stand the test of time.
Key is for us to really set Whitney up so that she can just enjoy this place and not be managing the upkeep all the time. Brick by brick or stone by stone, everything is coming together. The custom fireplace is almost complete, and it really adds the warmth and character to this living room that Whitney wanted. Things are moving forward. I think this is gonna be a really amazing house. It's gonna have a lot of character, a lot of charm. It's gonna be cozy. One detail that I really love that made a huge impact
Okay, now you gotta lift it up a little bit.
is the new natural wood beam that runs the length of the ceiling. Kitchen island is getting the honed granite countertops installed. We have lighting and appliances in place. In the main bedroom, we painted the walls a deep forest green to lean into the treehouse feel since her bedroom is surrounded by trees. And the custom built-in shelving in her walk-in closet is finished. In the main bathroom, we updated the vanity, giving Whitney more storage, and we made her dream come true by bringing the outside in with a new stone shower.
Those chairs are kind of heavy.
Today's the day. Whitney
day.
is headed back home, getting all the last-minute little pieces together, making sure everything is just right.
It's all set for the first family dinner.
It's gonna be the perfect place for her to bring all her family over.
Looks good.
Look at little Hank's stocking. She has baby Hank, new grandbaby, who's gonna grow up here on the lake, visiting her and making memories here. The biggest change really here has just been giving the house some character. Before, it didn't really have any personality, and now it's really adorable. It looks like a lake house. She is gonna feel like she's on vacation every day when she's at home.
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, good to see you. Good to see you.
Oh, I love it. Wasn't anything I expected.
We went with the shake siding here. I really wanted it to feel like a cozy lake cottage.
Yeah.
Then you have the white trim just to make it really clean and make it pop. We also brought the stairs around so you can kind of approach either way, and also a new front door, the wood door, and added some landscaping, but kept it super easy to maintain.
Yes, and
Yes.
that's what I love. Easy to maintain.
Oh my. Can you believe that?
No. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
You can go in.
I got no words. Oh, 2 sinks. Oh, yay.
I don't understand how this happened.
So in this kitchen, you know, you had non-functioning drawers and doors, and it didn't flow well. You had the peninsula. So, I mean, this island is massive. There's tons of storage, and the black counters, this honed granite, because I know you like kind of that neutral, masculine design,
I do.
right? And then the wood, you know, just that natural feel. And you're up here in the trees. You want some of that in your kitchen. And then you have your dining space.
I absolutely love it.
And I don't know if you noticed the beam up here too. You know, you have
love
the peak in the ceiling. We wanted to accent it. Really wanted this whole house to just feel a little bit more cabiny. And new flooring.
Flooring.
Super durable. I mean, this is perfect for the lake, coming in wet.
It will hide dirt as well as white things.
Yes.
So one of our favorite rooms is your sun lake room.
Okay.
So yeah, go check that out.
All
We
right.
loved it.
It's got doors.
Wow.
Oh, and they put a bar in.
I love it.
Oh my
And
gosh.
bench seating.
I felt like this window needed a window seat. There's storage in it. You can lift it up. We had a cushion made for it, so you can take that off and store all your things in there.
Have coffee and look at the lake.
Yes.
Oh my
That is
gosh, I
awesome.
love it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look. It's a fireplace with a mantle for stockings.
Look, it's stone.
It's a Hank stocking.
Don't make me cry.
Oh, I love it. It is perfect.
Y'all are something else. I didn't even see that.
I know you love stone. I really wanted a stone fireplace in here because
it.
it just makes it feel really cozy. I can see you guys all here in the winter time. And a stone fireplace just feels like the lake to me.
Yes.
Should we move to your bedroom?
Okay, yes, let's
after you.
do. I love these doors. These are amazing. Oh my gosh.
Look at the panels on the wall.
What a perfect color. Love
This is beautiful.
Yeah, so you have the wood again. We have the vertical nickel gap trim just to give some texture in here and to
love
make it feel really cozy.
It's like a little tree house.
It is. It is.
So then you got the doors going out with, like, we went
Yes.
with the glass handrails with the black metal so you can just see right out to the lake. A new composite decking that you never have to mess with.
You are my favorite people in the whole world.
Okay,
Do you want to check out behind here?
I
See what's
do.
back? Yeah. We did pocket doors to save space in the room and in the closet.
Oh my God.
Closet heaven.
You actually have room for all your
Have
clothes.
room for my sweaters and my shoes.
And you don't have to go to 2 separate closets to get it.
Don't. I love it. Get out. Oh my gosh. Dream shower.
Oh my. You got your stone.
Pull that cabinet out, even more storage.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Way to maximize the storage space.
I know you wanted a stone shower.
I
so now you have
love
one.
this. It'll be like taking a shower under a waterfall. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
This is awesome.
I will be spending all of my time right here.
Yes, you will.
Now you can actually use it.
Yes, because you
out there.
couldn't before.
No.
What is this?
Little,
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Drew, you never have to leave. You really never have to
man,
leave.
You know how many cold beers we can fit in there?
So we terraced this out. So this space, I can just envision you guys sitting out here looking out at the lake.
Look, it's amazing.
And there's shade with all the trees.
Yeah.
You have the new deck. So again, there's different levels, different spots where you can all be hanging out.
When everybody's here, there's plenty of room for us all to be together. Now, baby Hank can play out here and he
Yes.
won't roll down the mountainside.
Yes.
He can roast his first marshmallows out here.
Yes.
I'm gonna cry. Well,
Congrats, Mama.
thank you.
This is awesome.
It is awesome.
We were so thankful we got to meet you and know you and get to know your family.
This house was for Whitney, but it's also for her kids, her grandkids.
Hi, welcome to the new house.
And so now that it's done, you can see that she can see herself building a life here with her family, and it's awesome.
Hi, Bubby. Welcome to JoJo's.